What's up YouTube, back with another video. I'm working on the VQ35 for the 350Z. Got the clutch and the flywheel. It's a Action Clutch and XTD flywheel. And right now I was just pulling out the pilot bushing or pilot bearing. I use bread right here. Just stuff a couple pieces into the hole right here. And then I have the hammer and a 1/2 inch extension. I just hammered it into here. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. But once you stuff it with bread, just keep tapping it, and the pilot bearing will come right out. So you only need one piece of bread. I used this one that nobody really eats, so I wasted this one. But you only really need one. But yeah, I got a stage 3 action clutch. So this thing looks beefy. I plan on drifting the car, so it should take handle the power of the stock VQ. But yeah, it comes with the new throwout bearing. I think it comes with the pilot, new pilot bearing right here. So I'll install that. It comes with the alignment tool too. And then there's the clutch disc. It's cool, it comes with a lanyard and some stickers. So, yeah, and then this is the flywheel right here. Oops. It's an XTD 16 pound lightweight flywheel. So I think the stock one weighs like 25 pounds or something. So this one's 16. So it should help with revving and whatnot. The engine also has Z1 Motorsports engine mounts. So yeah, now I'm just gonna start to install the new pilot bearing right here. And then start installing the flywheel and then the clutch. Alright, the first thing we have to do is install this pilot bushing. A brand new pilot bearing, whatever you want to call it. So make sure you take the old one out, especially if you have automatic transmission one won't work, so you have to get a manual transmission one. I'm just gonna use an extension to hit it in. I'm gonna use this side. Alright, now that it's in, now I can put the flywheel on. I have an XTD flywheel. XTD. It's a lightweight flywheel, it's like 16 pounds. I'm not sure how much the stock one weighs, but it's gotta be at least 25 pounds or so. This will be a lot better for higher revving and stuff. Brand new XTD lightweight. It's like 16 pounds. So, yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna put the flywheel bolts in. It comes with this assembly lube, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use blue Loctite. It's gonna be a lot better. I'm gonna use blue Loctite. Jimmy Oaks always uses it on his build, so I figure I use it on mine. He says if it's always spinning, if it spins, then Loctite it. Just making sure they're the same thread pitch and everything. yeah, these will work. These are good. So like I said, blue Loctite. If it spins, put blue Loctite. And it's not permanent like the red Loctite, so this one's like a medium strength Loctite. You don't gotta put a lot on it either. Just put like a little bit. Probably can't see it. Alright, so it's a 16 millimeter 12-point socket. And I'm just gonna go like a star pattern, and then after this, I'll get a torque wrench and torque it. I'm gonna have to look at the torque specs because I don't know. Alright, when you're tightening these, they do want to spin at like once they're getting tight. So to hold the crank and keep it from spinning, this is what I did, or this is what I'm gonna do. It's just an extension. So got the extension with it's a 19 millimeter socket. So this is gonna prevent it from spinning. And I'm only doing this because I don't have anybody to help hold it, so this will work fine. Alright, it's time to torque them. So I got the torque wrench right here, snap on. It's a 3/8 drive. I looked it up. It says that it's around 62 to 68. So I'm just gonna put it at 68. And this is actually a 1/2 inch, so I gotta get an adapter. Yeah. Alright, got the adapter. So I'm gonna go to 68 foot-pounds. Alright, flywheel is torqued on. And then usually the flywheels, they come with like some grease on it. So you want to spray with some brake clean or parts wash, whatever. And then swipe it down with a clean rag. Stage 3 Action Clutch. It's cool because it tells you which side goes to what side. So this is the flywheel side. So that's gonna go like that against the flywheel. You got the alignment tool. Here's the pressure plate. You also gotta spray this down with brake clean. All right, got it lined up. So now, and I did spray sprayed this down, the pressure plate. pressure plate bolts from ARP. They come with washers. I will also be Loctiting these because it's spinning. I don't want nothing coming off, especially I'm gonna be drifting this car, so. It's nice having new parts. All I need to do now is get the transmission and the drive shaft. I'm missing those two things. I found a used transmission for like 500 bucks, so I'm thinking about picking that up. Off a guy on OfferUp. It's just always sketchy buying used stuff, especially transmission. All right, got all the bolts in. I'm gonna go around just like zigzag pattern, just so it's distributed and it gets put on evenly. And then after that, same thing with the torque. Gonna torque them all down. Alright, for the pressure plate bolts, it's 8 to 14 for the first round, go around. And then for the final, it's 26 to, I think 32. So I'm gonna go to 32.